I think the thing that gets my goat the most about badly designed APIs is when you can feel the limitations that the software engineers who designed the API were running into, and you can feel that they've pushed that work back onto you. And they've leaked, like it's called like implementation leakage, they've basically made something harder for the user when the user should never have had to care about it in the first place, because you ran into a specific limitation that isn't even relevant, to having to limit the library, if that makes sense. And that sounds like very abstract, so I can give an example.
Please do. Yeah, because I'm trying to think of one and I can't.
It's really hard to think of it. Actually, I have two examples. So I'll cover React at first. So the thing that annoys me about React is that when you have a loop and you're iterating and you're spitting out things like based on an array or a map and you're returning components, you have to give it a key attribute, right? And it barks at you if you don't do that. That is not something that should ever have to be necessary, in my opinion, in an API. You should not have to actually give a numeric key in order for React to be able to do its thing properly. It has no bearing on your app at all. You'll probably never, ever use it. And so warning you that you didn't do it and forcing you to when you're not even going to use it in the first place, I think that's implementation leakage.
That's a really good point. I've always just been annoyed by that, but I thought it was just me. So I'm glad you've actually empowered me to complain more. Why do I gotta pass that to you all the time? It's such a pain.
It's really annoying. And another example is having to use class name instead of class. That's literally implementation leakage. And I actually really don't like working with React and think there are better options out there for these reasons. But again, that's not let's not do a turf war.